Hi, this is Brett Taylor with Taylor & Sons Chevrolet, and this is our 2006 Dodge Ram 1500. It's equipped with a Hemi engine. See, tires are in 80 or 90% tread life. They're brand new. Hemi badging on the exterior. Nice assist steps going along the first and second row of seating. See on the interior, it's a non-smoking truck. It does have a driver's side power seat, power windows and locks, adjustable pedals, cruise control on the steering wheel, overhead trip computer, CD player, climate control settings, no rips or tears in the interior, no funny smells. Nice spray and bed liner in the truck. Second row seating area does fold up. Nice storage underneath. Coming to the rear of the vehicle, got your factory equipped trailer package, SLT badging. Coming to the passenger side of the truck. All in all, in pretty nice, overall nice condition. Get into the passenger side seating area, all weather floor mats. You can view this Dodge and our entire inventory online at tschevy.com or call us toll free at 800-866-2138 and ask for someone in sales. Thanks for looking.